Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got another cool knife here to do a disassembly and cleaning of. This is the Monterey Bay Knives Honey Badger, and let's go ahead and get into it. Now, the first thing I want to notice is that the pivot screw is actually solid on the clip side, and you've got where the bit will fit on the show side. So I need to remember that. Let's go ahead and remove that pivot screw and get that out of the way. By the way, this knife is on loan to me from none other than Fred the Lug. Appreciate him allowing me to take a look at this knife, do the disassembly and cleaning and all that good stuff. Let's see what we've got here. And T8, look at that backspacer, that's pretty cool. Squirrel. Alright, so we got since the pivot was removed from this show side, I'm also doing the body screws from that same side. That should make things a little easier. And that should come loose fairly easily. But it does look like that is probably maybe pinned, and it's not wanting to come loose as easily as I thought. There we go. Just trying to wiggle it to separate these two halves. I think it's about to come. There we go. Alright, so we got some weight reduction pockets there on that side. So let's go ahead and remove that and get that bearing out of the way. That's not pushing through either. Alright, fair enough. We'll just remove this off this side and work around that. I'm not sure why that's not wanting to move, but nonetheless, well, actually I've got to open up a new box of alcohol swabs here, so use the old PM2. Alright, successfully got into that box of alcohol swabs and got a few laid out here now. So let's go ahead and open one of those and wipe both sides of this down. Should be fairly simple. I want to make sure I get in there and get where that lock face is. Get around that pivot there. Since I'm not taking it out and dunking it in the alcohol. Fairly simple to wipe that down. Just trying to spiffify it up a little bit. And we're going to wipe this off and wipe this side off as well. I'll get down in these areas with a cotton tip applicator here a little bit better here in just a minute. Alright, so we got that. Let's go ahead and get a fresh alcohol swab. And the reason for that is I'm fixing to fish those bearings out. And I want to go ahead and wipe those down and set them off to the side here. Same for this one here. And then we'll get that pivot screw out. Clean that up a little bit, and then I will, while that's drying, then I'll grab the cotton tip applicator and clean those areas in the blade. Alright. Cotton tip applicator. Dip that in alcohol. And I want to clean this area here. where the pivot goes and where those bearings go. All right. Let's zoom out, back in a little bit. Okay. Felt like that was maybe zoomed in a little bit too much there. All right. But now you can see the mess I made over here. That's all right though. Clean this here. And that should be it, I guess. All right. We'll go ahead and continue with this side since this is the way we need to put it back together. Drop one there. Put a little bit of gunny glide on each side of the pivot. Oops. Well, that's interesting. Not sure how I managed to pull the bearing off there with the... Let me go ahead and put a little dot here on that. Okay, detemp ball. Then we'll set that blade in place. Push that down. Grab this other bearing. Again, right up next to the pivot. Just a little bit there. A little bit there. And then that'll, once I open and close it a few times, that should spread it around. And then it should be as simple as fitting everything back together there. Okay. Gonna grab that pivot screw. Put a little bit of the Loctite there. I like using a Loctite stick. And just snugging that up. Nothing too tight. Nothing too crazy. We may have to adjust that in a minute, but let's go ahead and get these body screws in. And get those tightened down. Alright, let's see. That feels like that might be a little bit loose, but I'm not sure yet. Let's go ahead and open it. It is a tad loose. Let's go ahead and tighten that up just a little bit. And see where we're at there. Still a little bit loose. Close it, open it back. Still got a little bit of play there. Alright, let's try it now. Still got a little bit of play there. Tighten it down just a little bit more. That sounded solid and also feels solid. So there we go. I am going to check these body screws on both sides. Make sure we are tight there. Look at there, even the clip screws T8. Bravo, Monterey Bay knives. So there you have it. Disassembly cleaning of the Monterey Bay knives Honey Badger. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. Hope to see y'all again soon. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Really appreciate you watching. Thanks.